Okay, I had this Simplicity riding lawnmower, 23 horse Kohler motor, and we will be doing an oil change on it today. I will be showing you how to do it. Alright, we will be taking the oil filter off first, which is right here. It's on the right side of the motor. Or left side, sorry. And I have a drain pan sitting there, sort of drain into it. Alright, so we're going to let that drain off a little bit. Get my other oil filter ready, the new one. The oil filter is a 1348. That's a common oil filter for a lawnmower. And I'll take some of this oil that's dripping and put it on a gasket. So when you go spin it on, it doesn't buckle the seal. Alright, we're going to put our oil filter back on. Our new one on. Now we're going to go to the other side to drain the oil out of the motor. Alright, to get the drain plug out, you'll need 11/16 and 5/8 wrenches. And yeah, it's not very tight, but they don't really have to be. Alright, we're going to let that sit there and drain. While it's doing that, I'm going to grease the front end. And I don't think there's any grease zerks on the mower deck. Any grease zerks you got would be a good idea to grease. Now this is a maintenance deal. You know, you want to keep all your stuff maintenanced. You know, while you're waiting for it to drain, you can change the fuel filter if it needs it. This one don't. Sharpen the blades, which would be kind of hard to do, you know, because blades are underneath the deck. So you wouldn't be able to really do that while it's draining oil, unless you want to make a mess. Check your belts, you know, see if they need to be changed. Alright, I did find out there is grease zerks on the mower deck, but they're in the deck area. They're inside here. So on the spindles, you'll have to feel around and find them. Obviously, if your blades need to be sharpened, you know, you'll lift it up or however you need to. Take the blades off, sharpen them, and grease while you're there. But this one didn't need to be sharpened, so I'm going to go ahead and I already greased it. Alright, it's pretty much done draining, so we're going to put the cap back in, the plug. Alright, now we're going to start putting oil in it. Which takes 5W30. And it usually takes up to 2 quarts. Oh, making a mess over here now. This one don't like it going fast. It makes a big mess if you dump too fast. Alright, we'll get another one. Now this is stay in there. Alright, I put 2 quarts in it. We're going to check it real quick. And you can see where it's at. It's right here. But once you start it up, the oil filter take that, what's overfilled, and that's what you want. And then it'd be right on the money. I'm going to start it up, let it run about 5-6 seconds, and then I'll shut it off and check it again to make sure. Alright, I started up, running about 5-6 seconds, and it's right there where it needs to be at, so it's perfect. Alright, thank you for watching. Please subscribe.